Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Acura key fob. You don't need any tools, you just need your replacement battery. This takes one of these 2032 batteries, and you can get these on Amazon. They're very inexpensive, and there's a link below in the description. I'll take you straight there. Okay, so first thing you want to do is remove the actual key, and you push down on this button and pull that out. Now once you have that out, take the key you just removed, put it in this slot, and you can kind of use that to pry the two halves apart. Get these two halves apart. This is, if you need to replace your buttons, this is where you can do that. And then this is the side with the actual circuit board and the battery. So take your key, you can just pop it out just like that. Take your new battery, plus side up, push it in there. Go ahead and put these back together. And at this point you can test to make sure your new battery is working, and you can see right there that red light, you're back in business. Put this key back in, you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.